I do today, even though the market was strong, sold off pretty decently today. So it's going to continue to be a pretty fascinating market. And again, my plan with the S&Ps is pretty clear, and if we can hit those key levels and then look for a rollover from there, i.e. a sell-off in October, that's generally the plan that I'm looking for, okay? And then, okay, I haven't done anything for the free video tonight, so let's take a look here on the free video. Well, let me show you actually the S&P trades I did today. And this is something that I really like. It's a pretty decent setup, and if you can set it up as an alert, it works pretty solid. And let's come back here a little bit. So just doing their cash session. So the first signal came here. So we had a pretty decent rally this morning. Oops, let's back up here a little bit. You can see. So you got the 8:30 open. So this squeeze I didn't do. I just wait till the cash session actually opens, and this happened right before. So we actually had a nice move from like 1182 to 1192. So like a 10-point move, which I did not participate in. But then we consolidated. I got this next squeeze. Nice little pop there. This squeeze I did not take because the C wave was above zero. In retrospect, it would have been a nice trade, and I didn't take this trade. And in retrospect, that would have been a nice trade. So this was a really solid move to the downside, which I just missed. And in retrospect, we're all geniuses in hindsight, but I did not take those. Caught a nice trade here, caught a nice trade here. And how I do these is these were 30-lot trades. And so what I would do is after 5, now this one I had to wait till it fired off, but after 5 dots, I'll buy 10, okay? And then I'll buy 10 more as long as the momentum is going higher, and then buy 10 more. Generally, I'm paying up for each price, and then as it's going up, I generally, on something like this, like with 30 contracts, if I can get 2 points, I'll take off 10 lots, and then for the rest, I just start looking for a weakness and start watching the ticks and things like that too. And then had another little pop here, and then another one into the close. I think that was the last one, and I did not catch this one either. So that was just the trades that I'd done on the S&Ps. Again, I didn't catch every move. I certainly didn't catch the down move, but every trade worked out pretty smooth today. All right. Oh, and one final thing I almost forgot to mention is that we are having a webinar on Tuesday, August 16th, that would be tomorrow, or today, depending on when you're getting this, but Tuesday, August 16th from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And it's going to be a group that is helping us. They do one-on-one coaching for traders, and so we've taken them through and showed them our stuff. And it's just for people that, some people just like that extra attention. We obviously don't have time to sit down and physically do one-on-one phone coaching. Like they do unlimited phone support for like a year or something like that. And it's just a way for people that would like that. They can kind of take a look at it and see, how that works and stuff like that. And it actually goes through and I actually say if you aren't profitable following their training, that it's guaranteed, that you get an extra year or something like that. It's an interesting kind of a proposition, and we found it intriguing. We've had a couple people go through it so far. The feedback has been pretty good. And on Tuesday they're going to do a webinar about it and show you more about it. All right, so that's what that is. And we'll put a link to that. If you guys have any questions on it, just let us know. Have a good night.